for the assembly of the hook and ring game. I'm going to begin by coming down here to New, select the drop-down arrow, and select Assembly. I am then going to come up here to Place, and I need to make sure that I am in the correct folder. So you may have to find out where you are located, where all your files are. I have my files here. I am going to click and drag over all three of them, and then I'm going to select Open, and I'm just going to left click once, and then I'm going to right click OK. So I have all three placed in here. I'm going to separate these just by moving them a little around. I am going to left click on my base, and you can see that it's highlighted over here on the browser bar. I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to select Grounded. So now this piece can't move, and it will help me in my assembly. I am going to constrain now the column into the base. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the shoulder of the column, and I'm going to click the top surface of the base. And then I'm going to click Apply. Now, with this here, I am going to stay on Mate, and I'm going to mate the tenon to the inside of the mortise. And it doesn't matter what face you grab here, you're just going to grab one tenon to one face of the mortise and click OK. I clicked OK because I need to be able to move this. So I'm now going to slide this out of the way. What I've done is I've locked it in the y-axis going straight up and down, and the x-axis going in this direction. I have to lock it in this direction. So I have to move this out to the side here, and I'm going to go to Constrain, and I'm going to do a Mate again, and I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to click this face, and I'm going to zoom out, and then I'm going to do one rotation to the right, clockwise. So if I rotate this to the right, I now am going to grab this back face of the tenon, the mortise, excuse me. Click here, select OK. This is locked in, can't move. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the top. I'm going to go to Constrain. I'm going to click the top of the top, and I'm going to click the top shoulder of the column, and I'm going to click OK. I'm now going to move this top out of the way. I'm going to go to Constrain. I am going to select this face, staying on Mate. I'm going to select this face of the tenon to this face of the mortise and click OK. Now I'm going to shift this out one more time. I'm going to go to Constrain again. This is another Mate. I'm going to click this front face of the tenon. I'm going to go clockwise 90 degrees, and I'm going to click this face of the top in the mortise. Click OK. Go back to your home view, and that is the completion of the assembly for the ring and hook game.